As a founder of an Irish company, you will be looking for investment at some stage. Broadly speaking, there are three stages to the investment process in Ireland: the term sheet, the legal and financial due diligence, and the legal documents. Here's what you need to know about each stage of that process. A term sheet provides a clear blueprint for the conditions of the investment. Rushing to get this signed, or worse still, not negotiating a detailed enough one, is a false economy. Seeking to clarify ambiguous terms or misunderstandings later in the process will often take more time and will cost you more money. A term sheet will typically cover, at a high level, the valuation, the investor share class, any board rights for the investor, any liquidation preferences, and finally, any founder liability, which can typically be 1.5 times, or even 2 times your annual salary. Second is legal and financial due diligence. This is the process whereby the investor will check information and assess risk about your business. You should organise the documents that an investor is going to seek now. Create an online data room. This can be as simple as a Dropbox or a Google Drive. We would suggest including the following documents in your online data room: statutory books, the company's constitution, financial statements, any commercial contracts, any shareholders or founders agreements, and any employee information. By having this information readily available, you will reinforce credibility with your investor and be able to answer their questions quickly. Third is the legal documents. There are three key documents that you're going to negotiate with your investor: the subscription agreement, the shareholders agreement, and a new constitution for your company. The subscription agreement is also known as the investment agreement, and it will contain details of all the conditions of the investment, including the amount being paid for the shares and what shares you're going to be getting. It will also include warranties about the company and the personal liability for the founders. Second is the shareholders agreement. This is the agreement which will set out how the company is going to be managed, and it's usually very long. It's a private contract. You're not required by law to have one, but you definitely should. Third is the constitution. Every limited company in Ireland must have one, and it applies to all of the shareholders. It is a publicly filed document, which means it is available to download from the company's registration office. These are important issues for consideration by any Irish company seeking investment. For further information or expert advice, please contact me or another member of the corporate team.